Lastly, let's have a look at hyperopia, or farsightedness. Let me just draw an eye again. Lens of the eye, eyeball, optic nerve, ciliary muscles here. Alright, so let me write this up here. Hyperopia, or also known as farsightedness, and that occurs when you're focusing on something that's very close. So focusing things that are near or in the vicinity of your near point. And when you're looking at things that are really close to your near point, what you need to do, that's when the ciliary muscles, excuse me, the ciliary muscles are doing the most work, right? They're crunching that lens down. But if you are farsighted, you can't quite get these rays to converge. You can't quite get them to converge. Really, they're converging behind the retina. Actually, something else that's about farsightedness, it could be a defect in the ciliary muscles, or the lens not being able to get crunched down, get thick enough to converge these light rays enough to focus on the retina. Sometimes this is also a defect of the eyeball, like the eyeball not being big enough, right? So a slightly smaller eyeball so that these light rays don't focus correctly. So how do you correct this? How do you correct farsightedness? Well, remembering back to the power equation, so what you've got here is you've got a positive power, but it's not quite big enough. You need to increase it so that you can converge these light rays more. You need to deviate them more than they're being deviated right now, which means including another convex lens in the path of the light ray. Let me just get rid of some of these things so I can show this to you. Get rid of that and get rid of these. So what we do is we have another convex lens in front of the eye, and then what that lens does is light rays that are coming in get converged a little bit already, and then the eye itself can do the rest of the work. I haven't drawn this very well. The eye itself can do the rest of the work, and then so you get a little bit of power from this lens and all the rest of the power from this lens, and then focus things perfectly on the retina this way.